US intelligence has revealed something surprising. After weeks of intense bombing by the United States and Israel, nearly half of Iran's missile launchers are still intact. So the question is, how is Iran still standing strong despite such heavy attacks? Let's break it down. The first reason is simple but powerful. Underground infrastructure. Iran has spent years building deeply buried missile bases, hidden beneath mountains, reinforced with concrete, and designed to survive airstrikes. These aren't just storage sites. They are complete launch systems underground, allowing missiles to be fired without ever being exposed, so even if surface targets are destroyed, the real firepower remains untouched below. Iran doesn't rely only on fixed launchers. They use mobile missile platforms that can move quickly, hide easily, and strike without warning. On top of that, they deploy decoys, fake launchers designed to mislead enemy intelligence. So what looks like a successful strike might actually be a hit on an empty or fake target. In war, confusion is a weapon, and Iran is using it well. Iran has built a massive missile stockpile over decades, even after multiple attacks. The number of remaining launchers and missiles is still significant. This means they don't need to rely on everything at once. They can absorb losses and still maintain their ability to respond. In simple terms, they planned for this scenario long before it happened. Iran's strategy isn't about matching the US or Israel weapon for weapon instead. It focuses on being unpredictable, resilient, and difficult to eliminate, from drones to hidden launch sites. Their goal is to make any attack costly, slow, and uncertain, and so far, that strategy seems to be working. So while the bombings may look powerful on the surface, the reality underneath tells a different story. Iran's missile capability isn't just about weapons. It's about preparation, strategy, and survival. And as this conflict unfolds, one thing is clear: this is far from over.